Since this coronavirus hit, the coronavirus crisis has cost the global tourism sector $1.3 trillion in lost revenue in 2020 as the number of people traveling plunged. The UN said Thursday, calling it the worst year in tourism history. The revenue lost last year amounted to more than 11 times the loss recorded during the 2009 global economic crisis. This is what the Madrid-based World Tourism Organization said in a statement, warning that between 100 million and 120 million people direct tourism jobs were at risk. Um, the international tourist arrivals fell by 1 billion, basically 74% in 2020, with Asia the first region to feel the impact of the COVID-19, seeing the steepest decline that it added. While much has been made in making safe international travel a possibility, we are aware that the crisis is far from over. The World Health Organization had Zarab Pololika, I don't even know how the fuck to say that last name, said in a statement, the rollout of COVID-19 vaccinations is expected to slowly normalize travel in 2021, but many countries are reintroducing the travel restrictions, such as quarantines, mandatory testing, and border closures due to the evolving nature of this pandemic. Um, the Asia and Pacific region recorded an 84% drop in their tourist destinations. Um, it was followed by Africa and Middle East with a 75% drop, Europe with 70% fewer visitors despite a small and short-lived revival in the summer, and the Americans were in the America where arrivals fell by 69%. International tourism arrivals rose by 4% in 2019 to 1.5 billion, with France the world's most visited country, followed by Spain and the United States. The last time international tourist arrivals posted an annual decline was in 2009, when the global economic crisis led to a 4% drop. The WTO said that most experts do not see a return to pre-pandemic levels of tourism activity before the year 2023. Open air and nature-based tourism will see growing demand when tourism restarts, with the domestic tourism also expected to be more popular. They said. While international tourism has taken a hit from the outbreak of the disease in the past, the coronavirus is unprecedented in its geographical spread. By comparison, international tourism arrivals fell by just only 0.4% in 2003 with the outbreak of the SARS outbreak, which killed 774 people worldwide. The coronavirus has killed at least um, 2,176,000 people since the outbreak emerged in China back in December of 2019, according to a tally from official sources compiled by the AFP. But the tourism industry accounts for about 10% of the world's gross domestic product and jobs.